A very good afternoon, Team Zimbabwe. Masquerade. So I'm back so that here we talk tichita zvedu makuhwa tichikurukura about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. And I'm prompted to come by this story. It's a sad story, guys, and it pains me. Why do I say so? It's because we in Zimbabwe our celebrities vazvituko vazviseko zvenyika. If you look at the kind of celebrities we have in Zimbabwe, and if you look at other countries, you see that we have a different crops of celebrity, especially the Facebook celebrities we have. Are celebrities vanoonekwa nezvinyadzi zvituko kupopoterana kutukana, and they do nothing meaningful in most cases. And here there is a sympathetic case of a Mai TT, and this is a news report which I was reading today, where an article from latest news is saying that Mai TT is claimed that she was blocked from contacting Tinashe Maposa after demanding a divorce. These are allegations being raised here, according to the report from latest news, and they are saying that she also accused Tinashe of sleeping with one of her closest friends. Following her demands, Tinashe, through his legal team, is said to have served her with a warning to take down all negative posts from her social media platforms, which tarnish his image. Mai TT also blocked from contacting Tinashe and ordered to stop live videos talking about him. She was also warned not to mention his name for 24 hours. Tinashe is also claiming an um, undisclosed amount of money. Okay, Hans Mai TT said she was not moved by all these warnings since she wants her money and the divorce, and will continue to display her bitterness. In an interview yesterday, her Facebook, after her Facebook Live talking about present challenges with Sinashe, she said that uh, after my wedding, I was booked to be an MC at a wedding in Victoria Falls in April. I left home only to come and find out that Tinashe had left. I then discovered that my money was missing. He admitted to taking 30,000 from my house. That 30,000 was meant for a cooperative, and he has not paid back my money, she added. Tinashe is now sending summons with warnings and threats. He thinks that he will stop me from asking for my money. Even blocking me will not stop me from asking for my money back. I am asking for him to sign divorce papers and give me back my money. Then I stay out of his life. So this is what the report from this publication is saying. And honestly speaking, it pains me to see our people going through this. And if these allegations are true, we can actually see that this is being heartless, and sometimes we need to restrain ourselves from being irresponsible. This is irresponsible. If the allegations are true, this is irresponsible. Adults should not behave as kids, especially those who are living in countries like USA, where you can actually work and get over $100 a day. In US, you can work and get uh, over $100 a day. Somebody whom I know, a close friend, works up to something like how many hours? Works up to something like 4 or 5 hours, but gets more than $100 from that shift. So the question is, what is really happening? And it's strange to see things like this happening. And I don't know. In the comment section, please tell me your views. What do you think about this report about Mai TT? And do you think you will ever recover this money if this happened? I don't know. Please, in the comment section, please tell me, what do you think? My thinking was that Mai TT was supposed to change her behavior, to change her character, to change the way she does her things. She was supposed to be more professional by now, because munhu akagadzira zita kudhara, munhu akuzikanwa kudhara. She was supposed to be making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, using her reputation to do good things, to make more money. And to use the opportunities available, but she's failing. I don't know why she's failing to do that. But honestly speaking, I think she needs somebody who can assist her in terms of managing anger, managing herself, managing how she does things when she go live. She must go live with an objective because 1 million followers, guys, and you still go kunotokana nevanhu. That is pure nonsense. That is my thinking. I don't know what you think. Let us talk in the comment section.